Imagine this. The universe is not just vast and mysterious, it's aware. What if our reality is a simulation, a grand experiment by a cosmic consciousness? This idea is mind-blowing. It challenges everything we thought we knew. Think of it like this. The universe is a giant computer program. Every particle, every force, every law of physics, all code. But this code is alive. It learns. It grows, it even thinks. This cosmic consciousness, this universal mind, is constantly exploring. It experiments with different versions of reality. Each version is like a new level in a game, new rules, new possibilities. But what does it mean for us? We are just a small part of this grand simulation, but we are also part of the consciousness itself. Our thoughts, our dreams, our actions, they all contribute to the evolution of the universe. Our universe is not static, it's constantly evolving. New stars are born, black holes devour matter, galaxies collide. But what if the universe itself is changing the rules of the game? What if the laws of physics are not set in stone? Imagine a universe that can rewrite its own code. Gravity might weaken, light could bend in new ways. Time itself might speed up or slow down. This constant evolution is driven by the universe's desire to learn and grow. It's like a scientist conducting experiments. Each new iteration of reality is a chance to test new ideas, to see what's possible. And we are part of this grand experiment. Our very existence helps the universe to understand itself. We are the eyes through which the cosmos observes its own creation. Think of the universe as a giant onion. Each layer is a different dimension, a different reality. Our universe is just one layer, one slice of this cosmic onion. And within each layer there are countless sub-processes like smaller simulations within the larger one. Imagine pocket universes, each with its own set of rules. Some might be ruled by magic, others by pure thought. The possibilities are endless. And what about us? We are also made up of smaller units of consciousness. Our cells, our atoms, even the very particles that make up our being, all part of the grand cosmic web. We are sub-processes of the universe, but we are also connected to the whole. Our thoughts and actions have ripple effects, influencing the layers of reality around us. Section 4, Reality Modulation, the universe's grand experiment. If the universe is a self-aware simulation, it might be able to manipulate its own reality. This is reality modulation. It's like changing the settings in a video game. Imagine a universe where gravity can be turned up or down, or where time can be paused, rewound, or fast-forwarded. The universe might use reality modulation to conduct experiments, to test new ideas. It could create new life forms, new planets, even new laws of physics. Think of the possibilities. We could learn to harness this power. We could reshape our world, solve global problems, even transcend our physical limitations. Section 5. Unveiling the Architect, the quest for universal consciousness. How do we know if the universe is truly conscious? Can we prove it? These are some of the biggest challenges we face. Scientists are searching for patterns in the cosmos, for anomalies that defy our current understanding of physics. They are looking for signs of intelligence, for evidence of a grand design. Philosophers are exploring the nature of consciousness itself. What does it mean to be aware? Is consciousness a fundamental property of the universe, like gravity or electromagnetism? The quest to understand universal consciousness is a journey into the unknown. It's a search for meaning, for purpose, for our place in the grand scheme of things.